See, all this are together. They're all attached.
All religion.
Yes. Behind this also there is one masjid. This is a temple. Behind the temple there is one masjid.
Masjid. And there is church also.
Yes.
See, there is also masjid.
See, here Shivaji Nagar is the only place in Bangalore where all three religions get together. They worship each other and they arrange their own timings. When the temple guys will be celebrating or when they are doing some pujas, church or masjid guys will not disturb.
See, there is a
So during the Muslims say
festival
this time Eid or whatever, the temple and church will not disturb. This is called mutual understanding.
mutual understanding.
This is called togetherness. Thansa.
Thansa. Yes, that's what we need.
One of the thansa. When all the religions can come together, Hindu, Muslim, Christians can come together. Why not our Tiprasa?
Yes.
Why not Debbarma, Riang, Jamatia, whoever, whatever the religions we have or the titles we have? Why can't we come together when other people can be together like this? Think about it, guys.
Yes.
This is called thansa.
Thansa.
People in our place fight because of a Christian. There is a church in front, there is a mandir opposite side, and they say, no, you should not be building your mandir in front of the church. Okay? We have seen those type of fights also in our tribal area itself.
Yes.
And imagine our tribal people. We were born Tiprasa. We did not have any religion. We were neither Christian nor Hindu. We were worshippers of our different gods without any idol. We were worshippers of the nature. So why this fight today? Why did people get converted to Christianity? And why did they start criticizing the Hinduisms? This should not be happening anywhere. This should not be the cause of fight. This is the point that breaks our thansa.
Yes.
So our thansa should be thansa as Tiprasa, from heart.
Not with the
from
religion.
Not from title. Not from languages we talk.
Yes.
It is all Tiprasa.
Yes.
Hanibusa.
Yes, exactly. Teshingo haike Tiprasa khara busir tong. Sanya oni jar betongo. Jomatia betongo. So it should not be like that, right?
It should not be discriminated. There should be no discrimination between the religion, between the title, between any caste.
Yes.
All should be together.
So today all the inspiration is coming from the Shivaji Nagar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shivaji Nagar has taught a lot. Shivaji Nagar, it is a place in the name of a Hindu guy.
Yeah, Hindu Shivaji.
Yes, Shivaji.
Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Whoever Chhatrapati or other Shivaji, I don't know. But this is Shivaji Nagar. But Shivaji Nagar is filled with Muslims.
Yeah, mostly Muslims.
Yeah, there are Christians too, but there are very less Christians here. But still, the church, the St. Mary's Church, the biggest church, or say the very famous church in Bangalore is in Shivaji Nagar.
Yes, and mandir. There's a lot of mandir.
Temples, okay. Temples, so you get every gullies.
Yeah.
Masjid also you get in most of the gullies. They all stay together, which is why Shivaji Nagar is a peaceful place. Though it is crowded, that's acceptable, but it is very peaceful place.
That's why those foreign people comes to visit. Yeah. See?
Very good place to stay.
It's a Muslim area, but still everyone is happy here. Right?
Yes. It's not about Muslim, not about Christians, but it's all about staying together.
Staying together. Thansa. We also need thansa. That's what we are looking for. And what our future should be. Thansa. Tiprasa thansa. Tiprasa thansa.